3-pack of Aqueon Cartridge Ammonia Minipad QuietFlow 20/75. Pre-cut for easy installation in your filter. Helps to remove excess harmful or toxic ammonia. For optimal performance, replace approximately every 2 to 3 weeks. For use with size 20/75 Aqueon QuietFlow LED Pro Aquarium power filters. Top reviews from the United States. This is a decent filtration system. What can be said about refill filters for a fish tank? They are as advertised. This filtration system is a good value and quiet. I have a 55-gal freshwater tank with 4 large fish about 6 inches. I recently learned the larger the fish the more oxygen they need. I recently added a power head which is an eyesore, but I saw a massive improvement in the fish's behavior. This also makes the filtration system work harder, meaning you will need to clean the filter more often.